Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Santander debit card using phone verification, easy setup step by step clearly. To activate your Santander debit card using phone verification, begin by locating your new debit card. Ensure that it is in a secure and private location. Next, take your smartphone and open the Santander banking app. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't set up your online banking yet, follow the prompts for new users to create your account. After logging in, look for the option labeled Card Activation on the main menu. Tap on this option to proceed to the activation process. You will be prompted to enter some information, including the last 4 digits of your debit card number. Make sure to input this information accurately. Once you've entered the required details, the app will ask you to verify your identity via your registered phone number. Check your phone for a verification code sent via SMS. Enter the code into the app as prompted. If the code matches, you will receive a confirmation that your card is now activated. You can also check the status of your card activation in the app. To complete the process, make sure to log out of your account for security purposes. Now, your Santander debit card is ready for use. Be sure to store your card in a safe place and keep your PIN confidential. Enjoy your banking experience with Santander. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.